For more than 2 years now, our frontline workers have been pushed to the limits, and many of them are leaning on each other for support.
Hospital staff in Mayfield, Kentucky continue treating those affected by those deadly tornadoes on top of a global pandemic. Staff at Kettering Health Main Hospital are sending support through simple messages of hope, letting their brothers and sisters in the healthcare field know they're not alone. A reminder that even though the job can push one to the edge, the mission is to serve and save lives.
And the principle behind it is really the issue of being sad and going through trauma is bad, but the worst is to go through it alone. And so the banner is kind of a signal of saying you're not alone. It's an opportunity for our staff to say, we're behind you.
Over 150 messages across the banner, handwritten from staff from all different areas of the hospital, from the cancer center to the COVID unit, all the way down to the cafeteria staff. Workers at Kettering Hospital offering their support to their brothers and sisters in Mayfield, Kentucky, who are not only dealing with the latest surge in COVID, but continue to pick up the pieces from the violent tornadoes that tore through the area.
I think many times, working in any situation, especially a hospital situation, you can feel isolated and kind of the feeling of no one knows what we're going through. And I think to feel that you are understood, especially by other medical care providers, they understand and they empathize, and that can give you encouragement.
It's the same kind of gesture that hospital staff in the Miami Valley have received more than once.
If you go back to 2019, the Dayton shooting, the tornadoes, we received a lot of banners from hospitals around the nation.
Hospital leaders say it's a simple yet meaningful way of paying it forward and staying strong together through difficult times. It's these types of gestures from each other and the community that give our frontline workers the strength to keep going.
I lose count of how many waves we've gone through this, and I think I just want their community to remember that they are heroes and that they deserve to be supported, and their support means a lot. Anything from writing notes to the hospital to give to them, to dropping off cookies, having schools send cards from kids, those things all matter, especially now.
Hospital leaders saying that they're making this an ongoing initiative. Staff is also working on a banner for the staff at a hospital in Colorado, of course, hit by that wildfire there.
Remember, if you would like to see your story or more like this on 2 News, you can submit your idea. Just go to WDTN.com and choose Tell Me Good News from the drop-down menu.